Hi everybody, welcome to Maisa Academy. I am Maisa Suresh. Today we will discuss part 5 of Vedic Mathematics, in which we will deal tricks to calculate all squares from 2 to 125. So what are the different tricks or shortcut methods to find squares from 2 to 125? Among those, first one, squares from 2 to 25. So squares from 2 to 25 you have to mug up or by heart. In order to calculate the squares from 26 to 125, you need to mug up all the squares from 2 to 25. Let's we know what are those. 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16, 5 square, 25, 6 square, 36, 7 square, 49, 8 square, 64, 9 square, 81, 10 square, 100, 11 square, 121, 12 square, 144, 13 square, 169, 14 square, 196, 15 square, 225, 16 square, 256, 17 square, 289, 18 square, 324, 19 square, 361, 20 square, 400, 21 square, 441, 22 square, 484, 23 square, 529, 24 square, 576, 25 square, 625. So these are the squares from 2 to 25. So you have to by heart or mug up all those squares from 2 to 25 in order to calculate in shortcut method from 26 to 125. Next, tricks for squares from 26 to 125. So what are the shortcut methods we will implement for squares from 26 to 125? From 26 to 125, all the squares divide into two categories. Number 1, the squares which are near to 50. Number 2, the squares which are near to. So for near to 50 is divided into two categories from 26 to 50. So 26 square to 50 square, and 51 square to 75, means minus 25, 50 minus 25 up to minus 25 or plus 20. The squares which near to 100 is also divided into two categories, that is 76 to 100 and 101 to 125 squares, minus 25 and plus 20. So we will discuss all those shortcut methods in detail. Next, squares from 26 to 50. So for example, if you take, I need to calculate 26 square. First I will explain you with detail, then we will go with the shortcut directly. First, 26, how much less than 50? 24. So 24 square, what is the value? 576. So keep 76 and 5 carry forward. As 26 is less than 50, so subtract 24 from 25. Subtract 24 by 25. So this 1. So 1 plus 5, 676 is the answer. We go with another example. 27 square. How much less than 50? 23. So 23 square, 529. 29, 5 carry forward. So 25 minus 23. So 2 plus 5. So 729 is the answer. To go with another example, 28 square. How much less than 50? 22. 22 square, 484. 4 carry forward. 25 minus 22. 3. 3 plus 4. 7. So 784 is the answer. To go with another example, 29 square. How much less than 50? 29? 21. So 21 square, 441. So keep 41 and 4 carry forward. 25 minus 21, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 841. To go with another example, 32 square. How much less than 50? 18. 18 square, 324. Keep 24, 3 carry forward. 25 minus 18. So 7. 7 plus 3, 102. To go with another example, 34 square. How much less than 50? 16. 16 square, 256. 2 carry forward. So 25 minus 16, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1156 is the answer. To go with another example, 36 square. How much less than 50? 14. 14 square, 196. 1 carry forward. 25 minus 14. So 11. 11 plus 1. 1296. Next, squares from 26 to 50. So for example, if you take 41 square, I need to calculate. This is a continuation for the previous one. 41 square. How much less than 50? 41, 9. 9 square, 81. 25 minus 9. So 16. So 1681. If it is 42 square, how much less than 50? 8. 8 square, 64. 25 minus 8. So 17. To go with 44 square, how much less than 50? 6. 6 square, 36. 25 minus 6. So 19. To go with 46 square, how much less than 54? 4 square, 16. 25 minus 4, 21. To go with another example, 47 square. How much less than 50? 3. 3 square, 9. You have to keep 0, 9. 25 minus 3, 22. If it is 48 square, how much less than 50? 48? 2. 2 square, 0, 4 you have to take. So 25 minus 2, 20. It is 49 square, 1. 1 square, 0, 1. 25 minus 1. Next trick, squares from 51 to 75. For example, if you take, I need to calculate 51 square. How much more than 50? 1. So 1 square, 0, 1 you have to take. 25 plus 1, 26. First, 50 plus 1. How much more than 50? 1 square, you have to take 0, 1. Next, 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. This one you have to add here because it is more than 50. If it is less than 50, you have to subtract. If it is more than 50, you have to add. If it is 52 square, how much more than 50? 2. 2 square, 0, 4. 25 plus 2, 27. If it is 54 square, how much more than 50? 4. 4 square, 16. 25 plus 4, 29. If it is 56 square, 6 square, 36. 25 plus 6, 31. If we take another example, 62 whole square. How much more than 50? 12. 12 square, 144. Keep 44, 1 carry forward. 25 plus 12, 37 plus 1, 38. To go with another example, 63 square. More than 50, 13. 13 square, 169. Keep 69, 1 carry forward. 25 plus 13, so 38 plus 1, 39. It is 66 square. How much more than 50? 16. 16 square, 256. 2 carry forward. 25 plus 16, 41 plus 2, 43. To go with another example, 68 square. How much more than 50? 18. 18 square, 324. Keep 3. So 25 plus 18, 43. 43 plus 3, 46. 4624. Now, squares from 51 to 75. This is a continuation. For example, if you take 71 square, I need to calculate. How much more than 50? 21. So 21 square, 441, 4 carry forward. 25 plus 21, 46 plus 4, 50. If it is 72 square, how much more than 50? 22. 22 square, 484, 4 carry forward. 25 plus 22, so 47, 47 plus 4, 51. If it is 73 square, how much more than 50? 23. 23 square, 529, so 5 carry forward. So 25 plus 23, so 48 plus 3, 50. If it is 74 square, how much more than 50? 24. 24 square, 576, 5 carry forward. So 25 plus 24, 49 plus 5, 54. So if it is 75 square, 5 into 5, 25. 7 next number, 8. 7 into 8, 56. This we have already discussed in the previous videos. Next, squares from 76 to 100. Here we will compare the squares with respect to 100. For example, if it is 76 square, I need to calculate. First, 100 minus 76. What is the value? 24. 24 square. What is the value? 576. So keep 76 and 5 carry forward. Next, whatever the result in 24 is there, subtract from given number. As it is below 100, you have to subtract. If it is above 100, you have to add. Then 52. 52 plus 5, 57. This is the answer. If it is 77 square, how much less than 100? 23. 23 square, 529. Keep 29, 5 carry forward. 77 minus 23. So 54 plus 5, 59. If it is 78 square, how much less than 100? 22. 22 square, 484. Keep 4. 78 minus 22. 56 plus 4. 60. If it is 81 square, how much less than 100? 19. 19 square, 361. 3 carry forward. 81 minus 19. So 62. 62 plus 3. 65. 83 square, I need to calculate. How much less than 100? 17. 17 square, 289. 2 carry forward. 83 minus 77. 83 minus 17. So value is 66 plus 2. 68. 84 square. I need to calculate 84 square. So 16 square, 256, 356, 2 carry forward. 84 minus 16. So 68 plus 2, 70. If it is 88 square, how much less than 100? 12. 12 square, 144. Keep 1. 88 minus 12. 76 plus 1. 77. Next trick, which is continuation to previous one. For example, 91 square. I need to calculate. How much less than 100? 9. 9 square, 81. 91 minus 9. So 82. If it is 92 square, how much less than 192? 8. 8 square, 64. 92 minus 8. So 84. If it is 93 square, how much less than 100? 7. 7 square, 49. 93 minus 7. 86. It is 94 square. How much less than 100? 6. 6 square, 36. 94 minus 6. 88. It is 95 square. 5, 5, 25. 9, next number 10. 9 into 10, 90. This logic we have already discussed in the previous video. 96 square. How much less than 100? 4. 4 square, 16. 96 minus 4, 92. If it is 97 square, how much less than 100? 3. 3 square, 0, 9 you have to keep. 97 minus 3, 94. 98 square. How much less than 100? 2. 2 square, 0, 4 you have to keep. 98 minus 2, 96. 99 square. How much less than 199? 1. 1 square, 0, 1. 99 minus 1, 98. So 100 square. Keep 100, 2 zeros. Next, squares from 101 to 125. For example, I need to calculate 101 square. 100 plus 1 means 101 is more than 100 by 1. So 1 square, 0, 1. Keep 0, 1. 101 plus 1, 102. So this is the detailed explanation. We go with example 102 square. How much more than 100? 2. 2 square, 0, 4. 102 plus 2, 104. It is 103 square. How much more than 100? 3. 3 square, 9. 103 plus 3, 106. It is 104 square. How much more than 100? 4. 4 square, 16. 104 plus 4, 108. It is 106 square. 6 square, 36. 106 plus 6, 112. It is 107 square. 7 square, 49. 107 plus 7, 114. It is 108 square. 8 square, 64. 108 plus 8, 116. It is 109 square. 9 square, 81. 109 plus 9, 180. Next, continuation to previous one. 111 square I need to calculate. How much more than 100? 11. 11 square, 121. 21, 1 carry forward. 111 plus 11, 122 plus 1, 123. Or else directly you can implement as it is 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This we have already discussed in the previous video. If it is 112 square, how much more than 100? 12. 12 square, 144. Keep 44, 1 carry forward. 112 plus 12, 124 plus 1, 125. It is 113 square. How much more than 100? 13. 13 square, 169. So 69, 1 carry forward. 113 plus 13, 126 plus 1, 127. If it is 116 square, how much more than 100? 16. 16 square, 256. Keep 56, 2 carry forward. 116 plus 16, 132 plus 2, 134. If it is 118 square, how much more than 100? 18. 18 square, 324. Keep 24, 3 carry forward. So 118 plus 18, 136 plus 3, 139. If it is 121 square, how much more than 100? 21. 21 square, 441. Keep 41, 4 carry forward. 121 plus 21, 142 plus 4, 146. If it is 122 square, how much more than 100? 22. 22 square, 484. Keep 4. 122 plus 22, 144 plus 4, 148. If it is 123 whole square, how much more than 100? 23. 23 square, 529. So keep 29 and 5 carry forward. Next 123 plus 23, 146 plus 5, 151. If it is 124 whole square, 24 square, 576, keep 76, 5 carry forward. 124 plus 24, 148 plus 5, 153. If it is 125 whole square, here I already explained this model. So think that 12 is 1 unit. So 5 square, keep 25. 12 next number, 13. 12 into 13, 156. Okay, thank you. For any queries, please comment, and you can also contact me to this number 9959440531, and you can mail me at mysaacademy2020@gmail.com.